What's good, y'all? So I was going to title this video something, but I felt like it wasn't going to come across the right way. But I was originally going to title this video, I Got Two Mamas. Now, it's like, of course, I have my mom and my dad, very good relationship, love both of them to death. But what I was saying is I got two mamas, as in I got my mama, like my earthly mama, but then I got Mother Nature, right? In the past couple of months, I've been finding myself just talking to the earth, talking to Mother Nature, and it's like this, kind of like this telepathic communications that's been going on. And I was like, yo, mom, you got a lot of crazy stuff going on. Like, you good? Am I good here? Did I upset you in any type of way? And it's almost like in the voice of my actual mom that was just like, no, you good, baby. It's like, I'm just doing some cleaning. That's literally what I heard in my head, in this telepathic kind of whisper type of situation. And I've talked about this before. It's like Mother Nature is going to give you everything you want. I had the theory way back when, my thoughts on the Matrix. I forgot why I titled that video, but it's like, it was just a thought that I had, like, what if we are in the Matrix? The Matrix means the womb. So what if we aren't even born yet? What if we're still in the womb? That's why we have Mother Nature. What if all the signals that we're sending up is being received by our Mother Nature? Maybe, and when we send that signal, Mother Nature, being the provider, being the ultimate creator, gives us everything that we want. But Mother Nature's going through some spring cleaning right now. She had to get rid of some stuff. She's like, all right, listen, there's a lot of people that ain't supposed to be here right now. I was trying to be nice. I was trying to give them some space, but they kind of messing some stuff up. I said, I've had enough. We've all had that mom that you hit her breaking point. Say, I had enough of this. No more disrespect. But that's pretty much what she's doing. Mother Nature caught a cold. Mother Nature caught a virus. What do? When you get sick, you expel it. You expel it. Now, these things, the way that this stuff is going on is at a higher level of understanding that some of us can understand, even me. I'm like, all right, mom. Listen, but am I good here? You good, baby? All right, just making sure. You understand? When you get sick, when you're trying to eradicate a virus or a bacteria, what do? You heat up. Things get crazy. Sometimes you get dizzy, aka the hurricanes that are going crazy right now, the random storms. What else do you do when you're getting too hot? What do? You sweat. What's going on with all the flooding going on in the world? You seen China, you seen Germany. It's like stuff is going crazy around the world. Was it like London? Everywhere is flooding. I think it's Haiti's flooding. Everything is flooding. Because sometimes you gotta drink more water. You know what I'm saying? So she's giving herself a drink. She's sweating. However you want to look at it. And if you're not on the right side, if you're not, mama's favorite child, you're gonna reap all of her punishment. It's really simple. That's why it's very important to get your nature, get your sun, put your feet in the earth. It's called zeroing, I think, but pretty much just get barefoot and get into the earth. Why do you think we have rubber on our sneakers? Why do you think we're always surrounded by plastics? Because they don't transmute it or transmit the energy. They block the channeling of energy from our feet. One of the things, I told y'all, I've been watching a lot of Rashad Jamal. He says we got the 9 eyes, aka the 2 at the bottom of our feet, 2 in our knees, 2 in our hands, and then the 3. Is that math? 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I had to make sure. The 9 eyes, right? And then what happens when the 2 that are supposed to be staring, the 2 that are supposed to be looking into the earth are constantly blocked? You see what I'm saying? And that's what rubber does. That's what shoes do. We only need shoes because we have all this concrete and asphalt. There was no concrete and asphalt back in the day. You know what I'm saying? And nature's beauty there, sure, there's rocks and stuff, but our feet adapt to it. And now it's like we can't walk barefoot outside because our feet aren't used to it no more. Our feet haven't developed all those calluses and layers of skin. There's what was it? Was it Dick Gregory that wrote the book Callous to My Soul? Callus is just like a buildup of skin, like tough skin. And we don't develop that if we don't scratch it up and make it reform over itself. Therefore, we can't walk on the hard ground no more. We can't enjoy what Mother Nature's always given us, a place to walk on, a place to jump off of, a place to land on. because we want to keep building everything. We want to keep building all these asphalt, these roads, these buildings, all this stuff that's compacting the soil where the water can't flow right. And we're flooding. Yeah, because you completely blocked where the water's supposed to be flowing to, with your houses, with your streets. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna enjoy it, and don't get me wrong, Mother Nature is very understanding. Oh, you want some new toys, sweetie? Go ahead and have that. Go ahead and build your house. All right, don't build, hey, sweetie, you're building a little too, sweetie, okay, wait, and now you're treating each other terribly? Like, what does your mom do when you're arguing with your brother or sister? I don't know. I was raised as an only child, but I had some cousins I fought with from time to time. You know what I'm saying? And so what do? They break it up. You know, hey, stop fighting. Oh, y'all gonna keep, okay, I'm gonna punish all of y'all. And then the first one that understands what's wrong, you're no longer gonna face the wrath of Mother Nature no more. You're no longer gonna be yelled at by your mom. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Your mom isn't gonna beat your ass anymore after that. She gonna be like, oh, you get it now. All right, you go over there. I'm gonna go talk to your brother or sister that ain't getting with the program. You see what I'm saying? So Mother Nature is all loving, but that love is powerful. And that's why they said, like when parents spank you, it says it's gonna hurt me more than it's gonna hurt you, because they love you so much they don't want to do it. That's why things have been going on like this for so long, because mama didn't want to do it. But we pushed her to a tipping point. And now you got to become her favorite child. Sit over here, be quiet, and let her do her thing and talk to her, or you want to keep fighting with her over and over and not getting down with her rules. It's very simple. Pick your side. To the next one.